अरे भाई, मुझे अर्जेंट कहीं पहुंचना है, किसी की जान बचानी है। क्या तुम मुझे इस पतंग से वहां पर पहुंचा दोगे? स्पाइडरमैन हमें बहुत तेज है। स्पाइडर
Hala, may magsipon kayo. Magluluto ko kayo ng soup. Soup, mami?
This trending wax candy. This is called Shining Wax Bottles Candy, and the packaging is okay. However, it's really sticky. Sorry for the unaesthetic bowl. I'm not your aesthetic girl, but my feedback here is the wax around the jam is so sticky. You guys, can you bear with me? The designs are so cute, but however the jam is oozing out. So, and it's so small that it can only last in your mouth when you try to chew on it, and it can only last so much, yeah, before the jam runs out because it's so small.